everybody. Yeah, I'm at work. It's what, Wednesday afternoon? And yeah, our second snowstorm is starting. We'll see if we, well, how bad it gets. It's been like 1 hour, I guess. Seems to be starting pretty good. Well, it's now 3:30, and I guess I'm not going to work tonight. It's really coming down. But hey, I'll give you updates. It's a good side to it. Hey everybody! Yeah, I'm going back home from work. And as you can see, yeah, I'm only taping because I don't have to hold my camera right now, and I'm on a straight road. Because, yeah, you can't see, well, anything. It's pretty crazy, but I guess that's our winters in Canada. And, yeah, if I don't make it home, love you all, guys. Nah, I'm gonna make it home, alright? I got my high beams on, my hazard lights, and yeah, I'm driving 60 kilometers, yeah, where I usually drive 100. So yeah, beautiful snow today. So I'm back home, and man, that was the longest 15 minutes I ever had to drive, because it took half an hour. Yeah. Oh no, let me just show you one last time the beautiful snowstorm. And just let you know, guys, it doesn't look as bad on the camera as it does in real life. I guess, let me just check. Yeah, it's about almost twice the snow that I can see with my eyes instead of what the camera sees. I'm not sure why. Probably do something with the lens and all that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna have ourselves another beautiful little snowstorm. And I'll probably update tomorrow as I'm not working, and yeah, I'll probably be shoveling. Now I'm off to go and play some Skyrim.